In today's video, we are going to see something about the Rock Trading. What is the Rock Trading? Is an exchange platform. Now, if you don't know what an exchange platform is, it's totally fine. You don't have to be an expert in the cryptocurrency world to see this video, but basically is where you can buy cryptocurrency. Now, there are two different kind of exchange web page. The ones that accept fiat currencies like dollars, euro, pounds, and so on, and the one that don't. Bitfinex is a great exchange platform and they don't accept fiat currency. So you have to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum before, move them to this kind of exchange web page, and then you can exchange them with any of these cryptocurrency. So Bitfinex is a great one, but you need to have cryptocurrency before. Now, other exchange like the Rock Trading do accept fiat currency. The most famous one is definitely Coinbase. Coinbase gives you the opportunity to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, and is extremely simple to use. So if you are a newbie, probably Coinbase is the best option for you. But there is a but. It's not so cheap. You have to pay almost 4% in commission for any transaction, plus you have to pay a surplus in the price of the cryptocurrency itself. It means that if, for example, Bitcoin today is worth $20,000, you may pay $21,000 plus the 4% commission. So, if you're okay with that, absolutely no problem. I've used Coinbase before. I still use it sometimes, but for very quick thing, just because maybe immediate at some points. But is more expensive than others, and you still have to give your documents so that people, your information are out there somewhere. You are traceable for what you buy. If you don't want to be traceable, you can use something like Paxful. This is another exchange that you can use fiat currency to do it, but actually you can use lots of different way. You can use gift cards, for example, Amazon gift cards. You can use PayPal, and you can use a lot of different way to buy cryptocurrency. Now, obviously, there is a price you have to pay for this. It's completely anonymous, it's simple, it's an auction, so you put your offer out there, and when someone accepts it, you have your cryptocurrency, and you can see there how many way you can use to pay cryptocurrency. A lot, literally every way you can imagine. The problem with this one is that it's expensive. You may pay 20% in commission. That you may think you don't care that much this specific time in this specific moment, because cryptocurrency are just growing so much that even if you pay 20% in commission, you will make them back in a couple of days, and that's right. But in the future, it may be a problem. It still offers the advantage of privacy. No one will know what you bought and if you bought at all. So taxes advantages are clear there, but it's expensive. And then there are the others. The others like the Rock Trading. That is simple, not as simple as Coinbase, but it's still simple. Accept cryptocurrency, fiat currency. You just have to send them from your bank to your account, and then you can buy whatever you want. Has more cryptocurrency than Coinbase. Got the same one, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Litecoin, but they also have Ripple, great currency. I have a lot of them. Zcash, another good one. I have that one too. And Bitcoin, the only one I don't own at this specific moment. So it's very simple and is an auction. So for example, if you go in Bitcoin to dollars, we can see how simple it is to buy them. You see, these are the last 10 trades. You can see that people wanted Bitcoin. They bought this quantity at this price, and that's it. So you can see that this guy put an offer for $14,990, and lots of people sell a small amount of it. So he just wanted more, and so he bought all of them. Not that hard. Now I'm not logged in because I don't want to show you my my account, but otherwise you would have here the way to put your offer in. Now, if you don't want to go through the auction, if you just want to buy them straight away, it's fine. You can just go on Fastlane. You will have your money in, obviously before. You will have here the account, the number of money that you have, and then you can just put, I want to buy €1,000 of Bitcoins, or for example, Ripples or Bitcoins, and obviously you can change and put 1,250, and you can buy this one. Okay, so very, very simple. This way, you have to pay a little bit more. You have to understand that the easier it will be, the more you pay. Like Coinbase, very simple, you pay a lot. If you go and look at the fees, if you go on the normal trading, you can see that the fees are very, very small, less than 1%, maybe as low as 0.02 or 0.01. But if you go on the fast line, that is what I just showed you, you pay 2%. There is still a very acceptable commission that you have to pay. And then you got some fees on deposit and withdrawals, but they are very small. So it's a very cheap platform, it's a very good, it's very functional, but there are some changes, and this is the point of this video. The first change of the rock trading is that they are not going to accept US dollars anymore. So yes, you understood clearly. You cannot use dollars to pay for cryptocurrency. Why? A series of reasons. They said that is because people cannot use this exchange from the United States anyway, so the volume of dollars is very, very low, and maybe that people have difficulty buying or selling with dollars, so they decided to just cut it off completely. It's not the end of the world, but I can understand that can be a problem for someone, from someone. I honestly don't care. I normally do everything in euro anyway, so I'm fine. But I can understand that this may be a problem. The second change, well, they got an internal change. They moved everything from it to Italy, because you have to understand that it's been created by Italian people. Italian people are actually very advanced on cryptocurrency. This particular exchange was created in 2007, so quite a while ago. But also, if you got a look at Bitfinex, this is also a web page that has been created by Italian people, even if it's based on Hong Kong. We got tons of it. If you go on Switzerland, for example, there is a paradise for the cryptocurrency firm or businesses. It's full of people, from Italian people, that created a business there. So Italian people, kudos to you, but this is not the point of the video. The second big change is that they are going to remove margin trading. What does it mean? It means that before you could have bought, with $100, you could have bought $200 worth Bitcoin. Now you can't. And I don't see that as a big problem. It's a very common thing to do in the normal financial market, but the fluctuation there is way more reduced than in the cryptocurrency market. We just saw that Bitcoin can lose 40% in a week easily. If you use margin, maybe that you will lose everything you invest. So it's not a terrible thing unless you are very, 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 very expert trader, but I would still suggest not to do so. But if you're a very advanced trader, you may consider it. But for everyone else, it's just a suicide that you are going to commit, and you don't want that. So these are the two main changes from the rock trading. I hope the explanation of what an exchange platform wasn't too boring, but I thought it was something that I had to do it. But that's it. these are the changes. Now if you want to know more about this stuff, just subscribe to the channel and click on the little bell below so you will know where I put out some new videos. That's it for today. I'll see you soon.